Hi, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to everyone. The topic name is Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, guidance in his remembrance to Allah. It's the Islamic studies class for class 5. So let's start. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as chosen by Allah, the Almighty, as the best of all people. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is chosen by the Allah as the best of all people and sent as a mercy to his slaves. Was in every aspect the finest example of guidance to the model oneself on. Exactly, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the role model for each and every Muslim for a daily life. He, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the perfect role model in his worship and daily life, in public and private, in all the lives. The daily, public, and the private life, he is the role model, whether night or day. In this short article, we will discuss his guidance in sleeping and waking up so as to follow in his footsteps. Translation: O Allah, by you we enter the morning, and by you we enter the evening. One by you we live, and by you we die, and to you is the final return. If you read it again, in this, everything is by the Allah. The morning, the evening, the life, and the death. And returning to Allah is the final return. Now, with regard to the habits of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when he arose, they were no different than those before sleeping, in the manner that they also consisted of the remembrance of Allah the Almighty. He, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would thank him for granting him life after the minor death of sleep. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, always said thanks to the Allah. He prayed to Allah that He gave him a life after the temporary death, a minor death, which is sleep, saying, Translation: All praise to Allah, who has restored us back to life after causing us to die figuratively in sleep, and to Him shall we return. In this, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is praying Allah that He is the one who gave us back our life after causing us to die for some short time, and ultimately we have to return to Him. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has taught us the complete way of spending life in this world. He was a role model for each and every man or woman on earth. He taught dua for every event in daily life, comprehensive dua. We should learn all these duas and recite them on their respective occasion. Okay, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, always say dua on the specific occasions. As a Muslim, it's our responsibility to learn all those dua and recite them on their respective occasions. So now this is all about the lesson. If you have any question, you can ask. One more thing for you, there is an assignment in the assignment section of class era. You have to do the assignment, and then again, if you have any question, you can ask in the live class or send me the mail in the class era. Hope you understand it. Have a nice day.